Good morning. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this shaker card, this Valentine's shaker card. So I've started off with some crumb cake, and I'm going to stamp it in Whisper White with this heart from the Heartfelt stamp set. I'm just going to do it randomly all over the card at different levels. I love stamping with Whisper White. Looks really nice. All right, now I'm going to stamp with Real Red, the little heart. So I'll stamp one down here. For here, I'm trying to stamp them towards the middle so they'll be seen. And I'm not going to put one on there because I'm going to stamp my Valentine's Day sentiment, and I'm using a black marker to just color the part that I want. So I'll stamp that right there. Perfect. And then I've cut out a happy from the Word Wishes dies. So let me poke out all these little pieces. And I'll use some glue to adhere that down. So we've got that right there. Okay, now I'm going to put this aside for a moment, and I'm going to work on the top of the shaker card. So I used the rectangle stitch dies to create this frame, and I'm going to put adhesive all around the frame. So that nothing falls out. Pretty sticky. And then I will adhere the window sheet. And then I'm going to use foam strips. These are the best inventions for shaker cards ever. Makes it super easy to make a shaker card of any shape or size. So I'm just going to put this foam tape all the way around. The sides, make sure the edges are tight so that nothing slips out. One more. All right, and now I'm going to bring this back, and I'm going to add some hearts. And I cut these hearts out using the detailed hearts dies. So I got a whole bunch of hearts from there. And I think I've got a lot of white, so I'm gonna do some white. I'm gonna try and do a little bit less than last time. That's just a scrap piece. Make sure these are all hearts. Okay, now I can remove the backing to the foam strips. And if you want, you can use an embossing buddy to remove some of the static. I don't know if it really works, but we shall try it. I don't think it works. All right, now we're just gonna make sure this is all secure all the way around. And then we've got our heart shaker card. There, I did that one a little bit better. This one I got too close to the edge, but this one is perfect. So I hope you enjoyed learning how to make a Valentine's shaker card. Ta-da! I used, again, the detailed hearts to cut it out, and you can go to my website, eStampin.com, to check out everything that I have for sale and my blog, and make sure you subscribe to my channel to check out all my other videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.